In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free stuff from SA Company, or also sometimes referred to as SA Co. They're a company that sells a lot of stuff for outdoors and fishing, stuff like hats, face shields, arm shields, though if you're watching this video, you probably already know a little bit about them. So just a little disclaimer to start this one, this will require you to buy something. However, this is how to get free stuff on top of your order. So I was going to make an order from SA Company anyway. I was going to get some of their arm shields, and I was looking up reviews of them on YouTube, and I saw in the comments of somebody's video, and I couldn't find the comment. I would shout out the person if I could find the comment. Somebody said, stop, don't buy the arm shields, just leave them in your cart and put in your information, but don't complete your order. And then what's going to happen is SA Company has an automatic email system where if you don't complete your order, they're going to send you some emails trying to get you to complete your order and offering you some free stuff and kind of upping the offer a little bit more and more until they eventually reach the point where they give up trying with you. But I'm going to show you guys right here. So I'm going to pick out some of the arm shields, and I'm just going to throw them in my cart here. And I'm going to go to my cart, and I'm going to fill out the information. I'm going to put in my email address, I'm going to put in my name, my address, but I'm not going to put in any payment info. And I'm not entirely sure how much info you need to put in, so you might not need to do it exactly like I do it, but this is the way I've done it twice now, and it's worked both times, so if you want it to work for sure, you can do it the way I'm doing it here. I pretty much just fill everything out. I don't give them any payment information though, because I'm not intending on paying at this time. I'm just going to throw some fake information in here. However, the important part is that you do provide your real email address, because that's where they're going to be sending these coupon codes to. So I usually put in all my information besides my payment information, and then I just let it sit on the screen for 30 seconds or 60 seconds to make sure the website takes note of my email address. You can also hit the yellow place order button on the right hand side of the screen without entering your payment information, which would throw up an error screen, but this is another way of just making sure that the website SA Company actually logs your email address and takes note of it. Now, once you can just leave now. You're done with this. You haven't placed your order, but you've told them that stuff is in your cart and this is what your email address is. On the same day or within 24 hours, you're going to get your first email with a coupon code offering you a free decal if you come and complete your order. And I've laid out the whole schedule for you guys on this little chart here with the dates for how long it's going to take for the emails to come in and what they're going to offer you. And these codes that they gave me, they look kind of generic, so I would suspect that you guys could probably just use my codes. I don't know if they change these codes periodically. You can try out the codes that they sent me here, but they don't look very customized. They look like codes they probably give everybody. So you might not even need to do this. You might be able to just use these codes right now instead of waiting. But this is what I got when I did this with arm shields. I don't know if you went to place an order, say, for face shields, and you left stuff in your cart. They might send you some different coupon codes or maybe give you different incentives. But when I went to do the deal where I added 4 arm shields to my cart and I left them in there, these are the codes that they sent me to try to get me to complete my order. So you can see on the same day and on the very next day, I received 2 emails telling me I could get a free mystery decal if I finish my order. After 2 days and after 4 days, I got emails saying they'd throw in a free face shield. And then after 14 days, they upped the offer saying if I finish my order, I'll get a free mystery face shield and a mystery decal. And they sent me the same email again after 21 days. And then after 30 days, I got the final offer, which was 2 free face shields if I come and complete my order, which was pretty good. I wanted some face shields anyway, so I was pretty excited about that. And they sent me the same offer again after 40 days, and that was it. That's all I've gotten from them. But I thought that was really cool, and I wanted to point this out to you guys too. In case any of you are planning on making an order on sacompany.com, you can either do this tactic and wait a little time, or you could even try just using the codes I've shown you here, and you might be able to get a little extra. Now, I would hope that they don't change up these codes or change up their strategy because I've pointed this out to you guys, because I think it's still a great strategy, and I'm sure it gets them a lot of extra sales. So just because I've pointed it out, I hope that doesn't affect their marketing strategy going forward. But anyways, if you found this video helpful in any way at all, hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel and you want to see some fishing related videos, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.